Hey, it's Sean from Overland, and in today's hack, it's all about the Skottle. Well, more specifically, the legs to the Skottle. Let me paint the scenario. It's late. You find camp. You're hangry. And you go to set up your Skottle, and you're sitting here and you're trying to align this little pin in that hole. And this is very, very, very inefficient. So in this hack, what we have done is, all you need is a black magic marker. You line up the hole, and you can see on ours, we like to go about 2 fingers. You get it aligned with your pin, and you just take your black magic marker, bring it in close. Skottle leg, you got your 2 holes, you pull out your leg, you're looking for the black line. Let's eat.